Hello traders, this is the Daily Gann. In this section, Gann discusses what a trader needs to make it in this business. There are a lot of people that compiled similar lists, but this is one of the titans of the industry, one of the best traders ever, and I think it is worthwhile to go over Gann's qualifications for success. Broadly speaking, Gann's qualifications for success are knowledge, patience, courage, good health, and capital. But Gann puts the most emphasis on knowledge. And by what Gann means as knowledge is not simple technical analysis knowledge, is the combination of the technical analysis coupled with experience and chart study, meaning that you must be you must know the ins and outs of the asset that you are trading. And we will start and read everything in Gann's words. First is knowledge. You cannot get knowledge without spending time in study. Don't look for a quick and easy way to make money in the markets. When you acquire knowledge, you will find it easy to make money. The more time you put into gaining knowledge, the more money you will make later. However, knowledge is not enough. You must put into use what you learn to benefit. You will learn by doing. Action and execution at the proper time bring profits. Time and timing is one of the most important pillars in Gann's theory, and we will discuss it later. Second qualification is patience. You must patiently wait for an opportunity to determine a definite buying or selling point. You must evaluate a definite trend change before closing a trade. Guys, pay attention. Listen to what he says. You must evaluate a definite trend change before closing a trade. Meaning that if you are long and the trade is up, you don't close the trade before a trend change is confirmed, okay? This only results from studying past market movements and acquiring the proper knowledge. Courage. A man can have the finest gun in the world, but if he hasn't the nerve to pull the trigger, he will never kill any game. You can have all the knowledge in the world, but if you don't have the nerve to buy and sell, you cannot turn a profit. Fear is a detrimental influence on a trader. On the other hand, if a trader has too much nerve and buys on hope at the top, he is guessing. Fourth component is health. A man succeeds in any business if his health is good, because a brilliant mind cannot work successfully with a weakened body. You will not have the proper patience or enough nerve if your health is impaired. And the fifth component is capital. When you have acquired all other qualifications for making a success in trading, you must, of course, have capital. Regardless, if you have knowledge and patience, you can start with small capital and make large profits, provided you use stop-loss orders, take small losses, and do not overtrade. After all of that, Gann reiterates his message. He says, remember, never buck the trend, meaning that you should trade with the trend. After you determine the market trend, go with it and you will succeed regardless of what you think, hope, or fear. Follow the rules to determine the trend. We will discuss the rules later. And do not work on hope or guesswork. That's all for today. This is the Daily Gann. Like yesterday, I will also put a link to a PDF file if you prefer to read it. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next video.